Hello everyone, it's Ryan Long here from Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon, and today we are taking a look at this beautiful 2025 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a Lariat 608A package in the agate black paint with the black appearance package. Just a really sharp looking truck. You're rolling on 20-inch high gloss black aluminum alloy wheels with dueler all-terrain tires, and this one's powered by the dependable 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. You do have skid plates underneath this truck as well, and it does come with front and rear splash guards and front and rear wheel well liners as well. You have your reverse parking sensors back here, your rear view camera. You're also gonna have a 360 camera on here, all your different trailer connections back here, and you do get the soft descending tailgate with the integrated tailgate step. This does have the Ford Tough Bed spray and bed liner, and I'm sorry about the sun, but you do have the fifth wheel prep package and your different trailer connections here as well. LED bed lighting here also. Really nice truck all the way around. You do also have the retractable corner step here, which is a nice feature there for easy access into the bed no matter where you are, along with the side steps here. Really nice running boards on here. And coming around to the interior, very beautiful interior. You do have a nice twin panel moonroof here, black ActiveX seating, very comfortable seats. You do have heated rear exterior seats, so your controls are there. Plenty of power options back here, your own climate vents, storage by the driver and passenger seats, and then you also have your partition, fold flat storage, and a little cubby back here, so you can make this flat if you so desire. Coming around the front, this truck will have a keyless entry keypad. It is a dealer installed option, so it just has not been installed as this truck has just arrived. You have power windows and locks, of course, power glass adjustable, and telescoping and folding trailer tow mirrors, so you can pull those out if you like, or you can even set them to fold when you lock the truck as well. Nice B&O audio system on this truck, driver seat memory, automatic headlights, power adjustable pedals, and very comfortable front bucket seats that are heated and ventilated, and they do have lumbar support. Stepping into the vehicle, you have a really nice heads-up display on this vehicle, which looks fantastic in person. And then of course you have your nice 12-inch customizable digital display right behind the steering wheel. Very comfortable steering wheel on here. It is leather wrapped, and you do have your adaptive cruise control and your lane keeping system here, and a beautiful 12-inch center display. There is your rear and 360 camera. Pro trailer backup assist, your brake controller, your different 4x4 modes and locking rear axle, different drive modes, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, dual zone climate, plenty of power options up front. You have your 12 volt, your 3-prong, couple USBs, wireless charging for your phone. You're also going to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have a nice little cover here as well. Remote start on the key fob and through the free Ford Pass app. You have your sliding cup holders here. I like how they hold the extra large water bottles like Yetis and such. You do have your locking center console, a couple USB-C ports in there, and a removable sliding tray. More storage over here in the lockable glove box, and just above that, love the Super Duty branding there. And then up top, you do have your Upfitter switches, a spot for your sunglasses, power sliding rear glass controls, which is great. And then your different reading lights here and controls for your sunroof. And you also have your universal garage door opener and your auto dimming rear view mirror. So a really beautiful truck all the way around. If you're interested in this vehicle, please reach out to me at Boyer Ford Lincoln Bobcaygeon and ask for Ryan. You can reach me during business hours at 705-738-2393 and ask for Ryan, or anytime at my cell phone, 647-546-9348. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to talking with you and providing you with world-class customer service. Have a great day.